The number one question that we get as a roofer everywhere we go in Texas is, what roof can I install that I won't have to replace with the next storm? We know many people are struggling with high deductibles and denied roof claims. One little hailstorm shouldn't mean replacing your entire roof. Today we're going to talk about synthetic shingles, or as we like to call them, lifetime shingles. Here in Texas, insurance companies have a chokehold on the customer when it comes to roof claims. Our friends and clients are seeing higher and higher deductibles, denied coverage, cosmetic waivers, and some hard-fought battles that are leaving homeowners and business owners feeling like they're running out of options. We've been searching for an answer, and I believe we've found an incredible solution to this problem. This is a synthetic shingle, and it's designed to outlast and outperform traditional roofing options. But they weren't always this impressive. Let me give you a quick history. Back in the 90s, synthetic shingles hit the market, but they had some growing pains. The materials couldn't resist UV, causing shingles to delaminate and ultimately resulting in roofs that warped over time and cracked. Fast forward to today, and these shingles have undergone a complete transformation. They're now UV resistant, incredibly durable, flexible, and built to handle Texas weather so well that even Chuck Norris would tip his hat to them. Today I'm here with Brandon with F-Wave Shingles. F-Wave Shingles is our favorite synthetic shingle product to install. I'm going to have Brandon here explain some of the benefits of this product line and how it can benefit you in the long run.
Well, F-Wave was developed in Texas for the conditions that our climate throws at shingles, and whether that be wind, heat, and especially hail. It's extremely impact resistant, made of 100% thermoplastic polymers, and really meant to last a lifetime.
So how does it hold up to hail?
Very well, actually.
Compare it to a standing seam metal roof.
Well, with F-Wave, you're not going to have the issue of cosmetic damage because our product
Okay.
is self-healing. So even if it initially does show some damage from hail, once it warms up, it goes back to the same form and shape that it was.
Okay.
And it takes a real significant impact to cause actual functional damage to our product. And we even have a hail warranty to back that up.
You have an actual warranty
On
that
hail.
states hail.
Yes.
Good
We
to
actually
know.
have a 5-year hail warranty. So, that does kind of take away some of the, liability from the insurance companies. So they are definitely looking at ways to incentivize people to go with this
Okay.
product.
You said it was a thermoplastic product. Is that like
Yes.
TPO?
Yes. Yeah. It's 100% virgin olefin-based thermoplastic polymers that go into the manufacture of our product.
So for those who don't know, can you explain how that holds up to the Texas heat?
TPO has, a long track record of superior performance against UV. And one of the main reasons that we used it, it has a track record in the roofing industry in particular. And overall, it's just a superior polymer.
A lot of the homeowners asking us these questions are considering metal roofs. What would be a good comparison price-wise between F-Wave and a metal roof?
Typically, it'll be about the same price point as, say like an R panel. Standing seam, at least a good quality standing seam, is going to cost, quite a bit more than an F-Wave roof.
Okay.
But you're also not going to have to worry about cosmetic damage exclusions. You're not going to have to worry about spending the extra money out of pocket to upgrade to something that's going to survive a hailstorm and then have to live with it when it gets cosmetic damage to it.
So you had mentioned that it has an actual warranty against hail.
Yes.
And I've not run into any other products that actually state that in their warranty papers.
Yeah,
So
and F-Wave is the only product that I'm aware of that is manufactured in the United States that has a hail warranty across our entire product line. But F-Wave, all of our products have a hail warranty right out of the box.
is there a size limit to that
Yes,
hail?
it is based on class 4 size hail. So we're talking 2-inch diameter hail. And that kind of brings up another thing. F-Wave is the only product that there are two class 4 standards when it comes to impact resistance. You have the UL 2218 and the factory mutual 4473. F-Wave is the only product that passes both of those standards. So
Okay.
the FM 4473 is an ice ball test, and the UL 2218 is a steel ball gravity test. F-Wave passes both of those standards.
One of the things that I was noticing when we got into this product was the variety that you guys
Sure.
provide. So could you explain what you guys have to offer?
Yeah, we've got some, more natural looking products. And then of course we have, some products that are going to be easier to get HOA approval on that look more like a regular asphalt shingle. Um, our classic slate is a good example of a natural product. Looks more natural, I believe, than any other synthetic slate out there. The hand split shake is, in my opinion, a really good representation of high-end wood shingles.
So what would they use in a shingle neighborhood that looks similar to other shingles?
Now, yeah, if you're concerned about getting HOA approval or you don't want your house to, stand out from the crowd, our designer slate series is going to be the easiest to get HOA approval with. It's got a texture that makes it look more like an asphalt shingle, but it is in person going to look definitely like an upgraded roof, and you're not going to have to worry about replacing it every time it hails. From here down is what we call designer slate. Designer slate is available in two different cuts. We differentiate between the two by the name. The blends are the square cut shingles, and then the ones that have the dog-eared appearance, or a cottage style shingle, will be designated with the estate series. It does have more of a traditional asphalt shingle appearance to it. So again, it is.
So for the designer shingle crowd that's looking for something stronger.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. And there's kind of an issue, currently, and has been going on for many years, just getting specialty asphalt shingles at all. F-Wave is readily available. Our longest lead time since I've been here has been 6 weeks on the
Oh, wow.
longest. And, so if somebody is actually wanting that cottage style shingle look, F-Wave is, going to be more readily available.
Okay.
And oftentimes right about the same price. Kind of with the designer asphalt shingles, with the supply tightening up, the prices have also gone up quite a bit. So it's decreased the gap that would traditionally exist. And I'd like to, make a point about the value and the cost of F-Wave.
Okay.
In North Texas, the average lifespan of an asphalt shingle roof is 5 to 7 years. F-Wave is, over that time period, going to be the lowest cost option, or the lowest cost thing you can replace your roof with. Basically saving 2 deductibles is going to pay for the upgrade to F-Wave. So, and then you're not going to have to worry about filing an insurance claim, getting dropped by your insurance company, replacing your roof, going through everything. So lowest cost option over, a 10 to 15 year period. Asphalt shingles are going to cost more. Any other specialty products going to cost more. And F-Wave's made right here in Texas.
Awesome. So from a general contractor based here in North Texas, I just want to say we love your product.
Thank you.
And we think it's an incredible solution to the rising cost of insurance claims. And we're going to start pushing this product as a permanent solution for people having to replace their roof over and over and over again.
And that's why we developed it. And we think it serves that purpose very well.
Awesome. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Not only do synthetic shingles boast the highest impact rating in the industry, but they're also built to last a lifetime. Whether it's hailstorms, scorching heat, or strong winds, these shingles stand up to it all. And that's where insurance comes in. With a synthetic shingle, you're less likely to have to file a claim after a storm, and that can mean lower premiums in the long run. Whether you own a home or a commercial property, synthetic shingles are a smart investment if you're tired of fighting with insurance and just want a roof that lasts. This could be your lifetime solution. At Lifetime Commercial Roofing, we're here to bring you the best in roofing education and solutions. Are you ready to protect your property with a roof that truly lasts? Reach out to us today and let's make that happen. Click the link below to schedule a consultation or learn more about synthetic shingles. Get the roof you deserve today, and one that you don't have to replace.